Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to write a poem that rhymes. This will be a very simple tutorial and I'm going to show you an easy method that you can use to write a rhyming poem in no time. Let's get right to it. You're going to start off with your intro sentence. Now in your intro sentence, you want the last word to be a rhymable word, a word that's easy to rhyme with. So let's say I was starting off like this. I went for a drive in my car. Went for a drive in my car. I'm going to underline the word car because that is the word that we want to rhyme with. Now, let's just brainstorm some words that rhyme with car. We have bar, we have far, we have scar, okay, we have tar, but I'm just going to say far. So let's say that my next sentence would have the word far at the end because far rhymes with car. So I would write I didn't get very far. So now I went for a drive in my car. I didn't get very far. Now for the next sentence, you don't have to rhyme the last word with these previous ones, but you want it to be related in context. You want it to make sense. So I can say, for instance, I ran out of fuel. Once again, our last word is the one that we're going to rhyme with. I ran out of fuel. Now let's think of words that rhyme with fuel. We have cool, for instance. So I can say, and thought that I was cool. So right now we have, I went for a drive in my car. I didn't get very far. I ran out of fuel and thought that I was cool. So then for the next line, once again, it doesn't have to rhyme, but it has to make sense. I had my sunglasses on. I had my sunglasses on. And we just need to think of words that rhyme with on. I'm just thinking of yawn right now. So I can say, and I did a very big yawn. Okay, so on and yawn. So far, car, far, fuel, cool, on, yawn. And now we can finish it off. It can be as long as you want, but we're going to finish it off. So because I'm yawning, I'm going to say maybe, then I went to bed. Okay, and a word that rhymes with bed, let's just say, is said. And that's all I said. Okay, so basically, to write a rhyming poem, the last words have to rhyme with each other. And I like to do them in pairs. So you can see these two rhyme, these two rhyme, these two rhyme, these two rhyme. So only two of them have to rhyme with each other in a row, but it has to make sense. So I went for a drive in my car. I didn't get very far. So those rhyme, and then we go to a non-rhyming word here, but it still makes sense. I ran out of fuel, and then the next word rhymes. And I thought I was cool, and I thought that I was cool. Okay? Then the next word doesn't have to rhyme. I had my sunglasses on, then it rhymes. I did a very big yawn. Then I went to bed, and that's all I said. It's literally that simple. That is how to write a rhyming poem easily. It's actually a really simple process, and an easy way to figure out rhyming words is to just think of the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, and so forth. So if you are thinking of, let's say, car, okay, then you just go with all of the, you just replace the first letter, the first sound of k. You replace the k of car with these letters. So R doesn't work. Bar, that works. Car is the same word. Dar, ER, which spells ear, but doesn't make sense when you say it like that. Far, which makes sense. Gar, har, and you continue doing that, okay? So par, we have par, for instance, okay? And you continue doing that with all of the letters of the alphabet, and you'll get lots of rhyming words. So that's basically it. That's how to write a poem that rhymes. And I've also shown you how to figure out some rhyming words really easily. Now, you can do it in triplets instead of pairs, so you can do 3 groups of 3 sentences that have the last words that rhyme together, even quadruplets, so groups of 4 sentences, whatever you want. I just find that pairs, just like this, pairs of rhyming words are the easiest. And that's basically it. That is how to write a rhyming poem and also how to rhyme words easily. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.